Albert Lannon.
My name is Albert Lannon. I live in Picture Rocks. I'm here to lodge a formal complaint pursuant to the Pima County Regulatory Bill of Rights, wherein persons adversely affected by district statements that implement, interpret, or prescribe law or policy may seek redress. Since the complaint is against the County Administrator's office and Charles Huckelberry, it would be inappropriate to direct the complaint to him, so it is addressed to the Chair of the Pima County Board of Supervisors. Since the board has ultimate authority for the affairs of the county and the county administrator reports to and acts under its direction. County policy, as expressed in Resolution 2007-343, quote, opposes the construction of any new highways in or around the county that have the stated purpose of bypassing the existing Interstate 10, as it is believed that the environmental, historic, archaeological, and urban form impacts could not be adequately mitigated, end quote. The resolution specifically discusses the Abra Valley as worthy of protection. The county administrator and his staff for at least 5 years have ignored, violated, missed, and reinterpreted 2007-343, making new county policy not adopted by this board without notice or public discussion in favor of an Abra Valley route for a proposed Interstate 11. Such contrary actions adversely affect me, as a highway would adversely affect thousands of others with air, noise, and light pollution, wildlife disruption, and loss of tourist revenues to be made up from our tax dollars. Pima County appearing to be in favor of it has resulted in the Abra Valley route being one of only 2 to remain on the table in ADOT's Tier 1 Environmental Impact Statement study. Using county resources to create and publish maps and other support documents adversely affects me by misusing my tax dollars. Losing the present peaceful enjoyment of Saguaro National Park, Tucson Mountain Park, the Desert Museum, Kidd Peak, and Ironwood Forest will adversely affect me. Ignoring the will of the voters who rejected the Sonoran Corridor, originally known on county maps as part of I-11, adversely affects me by telling me if I vote in the bond election means nothing, so why bother voting? That bypass is convoluted to give a planned Diamond Ventures development a free access highway in violation of Pima County personnel rules of conduct. That also adversely affects me by misspending my tax dollars, as well as demonstrating that the rule of law does not apply to the County Administrator's office. I close by noting that about 90% of over 3,000 comments from the public, your constituents, to ADOT this past summer opposed any Abra Valley I-11, and less than 1/2% favored it. Citations and evidence are in the formal complaint. I look forward to your response within the required 15 business days. Thank you.
Just for clarification, have you filed an official claim?
That's my, you got it.
Then that's not, then you need to submit that. This is your official.
Yes.
Okay, then you need to submit that to the clerk.
I did give it to the clerk.
Oh, you've got it? Okay.
And
All right.
with copies.
Okay, great. Thank you.